Hello everyone, welcome to the Aggregated News channel. In this newsletter, we would like to send you the general information on the following items. Manchester United confident of wrapping up Raphael Varane signing from Real Madrid within 12 days. Manchester United confident of wrapping up Raphael Varane signing from Real Madrid this month as Ole Gunnar Solskjaer looks to add French defender to summer spending spree by Premier League giants. Manchester United are edging closer to signing Real Madrid defender Raphael Varane and are confident of completing the deal by the start of August, according to reports. Sportsmail revealed this week that the Red Devils are set to make a formal bid to the La Liga giants regarding their French centre-back after being assured that the player wants to move to Old Trafford. Varane has less than a year left on his Real contract and the Spanish club run the risk of losing the player for free next summer should they not cash in on the 28-year-old centre-back this year. And according to the Manchester Evening News, United are set to finalise the transfer within 12 days, which would mean Varane would be announced as a Manchester United player a fortnight before the Premier League season begins. Sportsmail revealed the 28-year-old has indicated he wants to join United, though nothing is yet agreed, with the price of £50 million for a player who has 1 year left on contract is still considered too high by United. Varane has been at Real for a decade, winning 3 La Liga titles, 4 Champions League trophies and 4 FIFA Club World Cups with the Spanish giants, who he has played 359 times for since his debut. The France international is yet to return to pre-season for the La Liga giants, who are now managed by former Everton boss Carlo Ancelotti after Zinedine Zidane's departure at the end of last season. Varane is coming back late to Real training due to his efforts for France at Euro 2020 this summer, which saw Les Bleus go out at the last 16 stage following their defeat by Switzerland on penalties. A move to Old Trafford would see him compete with the likes of Harry Maguire and Victor Lindelof for a starting spot in Ole Gunnar Solskjaer's side, who finished 12 points behind Premier League champions Manchester City this term. Signing Varane would be a strong signal of intent that they are prepared to close the gap on their city rivals, with the £73 million signing of Borussia Dortmund and England winger Jadon Sancho set to be confirmed this week. Meanwhile, United retain an interest in Kieran Trippier, but again talks are not advanced, with Atletico Madrid's valuation an obstacle. There is interest from Inter and AC Milan for Alex Telles, but their proposals have been for loans, while talks have not developed over Diogo Dalot's sale. Newcastle United are among the clubs keen on a loan deal for Axel Tuanzebe, who wants to play more regular football, particularly with Varane expected to join. Thank you for watching our videos. Subscribe to our channel to get notifications when we post newest videos. Thank you and goodbye.